Horses out, the Angel Eunice past the begin, moving up party out, so now is Santeria. Deceptions is racing in third and followed by Sant Antoni and ready to rumble. Santeria now the leader by Oralenga. Angel Eunice drags back in second. Deceptions now moving up to take third. Then about 5 lengths away in port, Sant Antoni and ready to rumble. Going along for the first turn now, we have Santeria. Oralenga and Hapa. Deceptions now moving up to take second. Angel Eunice drags back in third. 4 lengths away in port, Sant Antoni and ready to rumble, still racing in less. That's still Santeria by about 2.5 lengths. Deceptions now trying to get closer in second. Angel Eunice in third. Sant Antoni in fourth and ready to rumble. That's still Santeria by about 3 lengths. And in second remains Deception. Sant Antoni now trying to get closer in third. Angel Eunice and ready to rumble. Santeria is still in front by about 2.5 lengths. Deceptions remains in second and in third Sant Antoni. And as they come down at the last 150, and it's still Santeria followed by Deception. Sant Antoni is on the outside. Santeria still in front by about 2 lengths. Deception, Sant Antoni, and hitting the finish line. Santeria, Sant Antoni is on the outside. And finally, it's Santeria, Sant Antoni. Then comes Deceptions, ready to rumble.